When it comes to New Mexico, Section 2 of DOMA remains in place, although I think now it is very susceptible to challenge because the reasoning that throws out the federal discrimination, I think, is very applicable to what states might do on the issue. I think you'll see New Mexico become, if California becomes the 14th state plus the District of Columbia, I think New Mexico will be the 15th state. I think that'll happen this year. I think marriage equality will be in New Mexico this year.
Through court order or through legislative?
Through a court decision.
Okay.
It's just a question of when. Marriage equality will exist in the United States, coast to coast, sooner than later. It may not happen entirely this year, but just like some states held on to segregation and laws prohibiting interracial marriage, those states were on the wrong side of history then, and the states that are opposing marriage equality are on the wrong side of history today.
What would you say to people that say throughout history, marriage has been generally accepted as one man, one woman?
What do I say to them?
Yeah, what would you say in response to that? That's a very common refrain from the other side.
I'd say, so what? I mean, do we want to live in the times of ancient Romans? There's a lot of good things that flow from treating people equally and fairly. And the world moves forward, and we acknowledge mistakes that we have made and change them.